What causes HVAC registers to rattle? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning registers usually rattle because loose parts, blocked airflow, or pressure changes make the metal grill vibrate. The register is the metal or plastic cover where air enters or leaves a room. When a screw becomes loose, the cover can shake against the wall, floor, or ceiling. Dust and small bits of debris can also collect inside the register and disturb the airflow. A dirty air filter makes the system work harder, which can increase air pressure and make a loose register rattle more loudly. Sometimes the duct behind the register is not secured properly, so it vibrates whenever the blower turns on. Thin metal ducts can also expand, contract, or vibrate as warm and cool air moves through them. To find the cause, turn the system off, remove the register, clean it, and tighten its screws. If the noise stops when you gently hold the cover, place small foam padding around its edge before securing it again. One common mistake is tightening the screws too much, which can bend the register and create more vibration, so tighten them firmly but gently. Another mistake is replacing the register without checking the duct connection behind it, so inspect for loose metal and secure it with approved duct screws or sealing tape. People also often ignore a rattle that comes from deep inside the duct, but that can point to a loose damper, damaged ductwork, or a blower problem, so call a qualified heating and air conditioning professional if the sound continues after basic cleaning and tightening. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.